you want to work in data center controls automation, you do need to understand how your chiller plant actually controls your building, how it's going to respond in different situations. So let's talk about a common one. So a couple things you understand. So we're going to use the example of data hall. A data hall is where the customer equipment is that's generating all the heat. You're going to have something called a CRAW unit, which is a computer room air handler, and then you have your chillers and your chiller plant that have a variable speed pump, a pump that's usually driven by a variable frequency drive that can modulate the pump speed based on the conditions of the plant. So with these things in hand, so let's say the equipment in the data hall is starting to just ramp up, it's starting to do something crazy, and it's causing the heat in the overall space to heat up. So your CRAW units are responsible for supplying cold air back into the space. It takes hot air coming in from all the server equipment, and then it has chill water running through its evaporator coils, and it's going to maintain a set point. It is required to blow out a certain temperature of cold air back into the space. So as hot air comes back in, what it's going to do is, if it cannot meet that set point, it's going to open its chill water valve, allowing for more chill water to come in so it can remove that heat more efficiently, so it can maintain the supplier set point. Now, that's what your CRAW's main purpose is. Now, as your chill water valves start opening up on your CRAWs in your space, it's going to change the differential pressure of the loop. It's going to drop your differential pressure. Your chiller plant is going to see this drop in differential pressure. So with the existing chillers that are running, it's going to ramp up. It's going to try to increase the DP. How does it do that? It pumps more chill water into the loop. So it's going to ramp up your pump speeds. If after a certain amount of time it cannot meet the DP set point with the existing chillers running at a certain pump speed, it's going to bring on and stage up another chiller and get his pump going to supply that. So basically, as it gets hotter in the data hall, your CRAWs open up the chill water more, and then your your chiller plant is going to bring on more pumps as necessary to pump more chill water into the loop to keep your DP set point. So I hope that helps. I know it's long, but that's kind of, as a controls person, you have to understand that in a data center.